everybody, welcome back to Camp in a Box. Today we're going to make some safari sunset catchers. For this activity, you're going to need a spray bottle with just plain old tap water, markers, coffee filters, a sheet of cardboard and some glue, a pair of scissors, and the animal templates in the Camp in the Box kit. I've already chosen my animal, traced it, and cut it out onto the cardboard, so you'll need to go ahead and pause and do that step yourself now. Go ahead and grab your extra cardboard and lay it underneath your coffee filter in preparation for the next step. Grab your markers that are all reds and oranges and colors that you normally find in a sunset and start drawing lines onto your coffee filter. Make sure that you leave a little bit of space between each section of color in order to let the colors blend together when you add the water. If you want a ton of blending, go ahead and layer the colors right next to each other. You don't have to limit yourself to just drawing lines. You can draw all sorts of shapes that you'd like. You do not want to draw any sort of a specific scene, however. So you wouldn't want to try to draw a house or a tree or anything like that, because when you add the water to your coffee filter, all of these shapes and colors will start to bleed together. Now you're going to want to grab your sheet of cardstock and place your coffee filter on top of it. And kind of figure out where you want it to go. Then you will lightly spritz the whole sheet of cardstock so that your coffee filter will stick to it. Then spray the coffee filter with water from about 6 inches away until you notice the colors starting to bleed. This is a fine balancing act because the more you spray water, the more your colors will start to bleed. But you don't want to completely soak your coffee filter and the cardstock because they'll become all wobbly. Set your coffee filter and the cardstock off to the side to dry. Then you'll go ahead and repeat the process with your other coffee filter. Now that your coffee filters are dry, it's time to go ahead and actually make our sunset catchers. Remove the coffee filter from the cardstock and set the cardstock aside. Then you'll select which animal that you've already cut out from the cardboard that you'd like to put on your sunset catcher. Then just glue the back of the animal and press it gently into the center of your coffee filter. Then go ahead and repeat this process with your other sunset catcher. Go ahead and set these cardstock pieces aside to dry completely. While we can't make sunset catchers out of them, you can repurpose them to make really cool greeting or birthday cards. And with that, our sunset catchers are all done. You can use a little bit of clear tape to tape your sunset catchers to a west or south facing window in the evenings and watch them glow with yellows and oranges as the sun sets. Thanks for crafting with me today, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.